Okay, this is a good sign. The truck is on the lift, and what they're doing now is bleeding the brakes, which is always a nice thing to see on any restoration. That means we're coming into the final stretch here. Bleeding of the brakes means cracking a lot of the brake lines and letting the fluid out so that the air escapes, obviously. One of the neat things they just put up here is the skid plate. That's this part here. Have it bolted in with nice stainless steel hardware. Kind of see the exhaust here where it comes down, and we'll put it on an exhaust white pipe in there and bring it back through, hopefully above this area, right through here. That's where the exhaust will go.